Hey guys, so today I have another project, a very short project that I am going to share with you guys, and it is going to be my ceiling fan. As you can see, my ceiling fan is brown. This brown mahogany whatever ceiling fan is going to go today. I'm going to go online and see if I can find any local stores that sell just the blades, as I do not need an entire ceiling fan, just the blades. And I am going to go and purchase them and install them, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I am on my way to Home Depot. That's going to be my first stop. I have Divine with me. And we're going to see if they have ceiling fan blades and a few other things that I need to get as well. And then we're going to make our way on to Walmart and Whole Foods to get some groceries. So, see you there. Well guys, I'm not getting much help here at Home Depot. I'm trying to see if they sell just the ceiling fan blade replacer. Like, I just want to change the blades. I don't need an entire ceiling fan. Maybe I just have to just take the ones that I have and paint them. I just paint them black, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so apparently they sell replacement blades, but these are the only two they sell. Which I do not want white, obviously, and I don't want wood. I already have wood on there. I want black, so I guess I was right. I just need to paint the ones I have. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so we are almost at the, oh shoot, gotta get over, the Whole Foods. I've never been to this Whole Foods before, so I'm really excited. There it is. This Whole Foods was not here when I lived in Atlanta before, so I've never been to this Whole Foods. Actually, this is a brand new Whole Foods because I think I remember them building this when I lived here before. Yeah. I don't know. But look how nice it looks. It's humongous, first of all. And yeah, so where do I even enter? This looks like you can enter back there or down here. So I'm gonna park here where these people are just coming out of. So yeah guys, I'm excited. These people don't know how to drive. I'm excited to go into this brand new Whole Foods. Well, probably not brand new, but brand new to me because I've never been in there. So yeah, I'll see you inside. stuff here, guys. It's just his thing. Here, hold this.
Oh, she's gonna come around. That's for him.
So we got everything we need, and we're gonna get out of Walmart. Did we even vlog in here at all? Oh, here's Walmart, Wait for us, guys. Wait for us. Like you let the door shut on us, Alexander. Who was that? Out and back? Look at the clouds, yo. So the clouds look really creepy today, guys. We're waiting for the elevator because we cannot go on the escalator with this, and I don't trust the cart thingies because I've seen too many carts get stuck. So I'm just gonna wait for the elevator. Alright, so we're all done. We're gonna go home now, guys. So I am going to go ahead and get started with my project. I am back from all the stores, and I am ready to go ahead and get my ceiling fan blades off and paint them black.
Really? Well, you don't need to change the light bulb.
Over and look where I put the screws. I'm gonna take the blades off of the brackets. That should be easy. I just put a black plastic bag on the top of my recycling bin, and I have the blades over here, and then this other trash can that we keep outside, I have the paint over there. And you see how dirty the things got from wiping off the blades? Yeah. So I've decided that I will leave the wooden side this color, and I will cover the cherry wood. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just put another light coat on top of these fan blades, and I am going to let them sit out. Alright guys, so here we are. I brought all the fan blades back up, and we have the electric screwdriver, and we're going to go ahead and put them back on the brackets. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that so they won't see that I put black paint on the back of it. Is the lighting good?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I put the bracket back on. Looks nice, right?
Yeah, it's kind of fancy now that you put the thing on and it has black.
So we have our black fan blade, and I'm just gonna do that to all 5 of them, and then I'll come back. Guys, I have put the bracket back on all 5 pieces. As you can see, they look amazing. They are all black now. Yay! It matches my room perfectly. My room is black and white, as I said before, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and reinstall all the pieces back on the ceiling fan. Last one, guys. Last one. My arms. Guys, the black looks amazing. Turn it off. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, turn the light off. Can I see it? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my ceiling fan. So we're done.